Today, we bring you WS7 switch, which is suitable for building door and window control devices and industrial control equipment. Let's look at its size. First, the internal KW4A microswitch has stable performance and long life. The external structure of the product is simple. Reliable sealing performance, dust-proof and waterproof. WS7 internal structure summary. It can be equipped with various wire. It can be used in building door and window control devices and industrial control equipment. Dongnan micro switch.